Tevin Hyman in 1, Nicoy Drummond in
On
2,
your mark.
Orlando Wint in 3, Javorne Dunkley in 4, Junior Harris in 5, Jivan Newby in 6, Tajai Duffus in 7, and Damore Miller in lane 8. Boys under 20.
Motorcade, Camperdown, St. Elizabeth Technical, Hubert Lawrence. Those are the teams that I think are going to cause the most trouble here.
Dunkley looks the best.
Newby has the best PB. He's all the way out in lane number 6 in red of Motorcade.
Under 20 boys, 100-meter dash.
Set.
The set position. Off they go, clean start. Newby was away well, so too Harris. Dunkley's on the premises as well. Jivan Newby is finishing like a house on fire, but stepping forward. Javorne Dunkley of St. Elizabeth Technical with a supreme performance. 10.17 seconds. New personal best for Dunkley. Wow, coming down from 10.28. Fabulous piece of sprinting and a commanding performance.